Hi, my name's Katie Freeman. I grew up in Northern California in a small town called Tracy, and that's where both of these pictures were taken. I lived there from the time I was about 1 until I was 11, so about 10 years. I was born in Sandy, Utah, where my family was living at the time. I'm the youngest of 4 kids, so I have 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Like most, we didn't get along super well growing up, but we also had our fun and everything. But now that we're all older and far apart from each other, we always miss each other, and when we're with each other, we have the greatest of times. So, when I was 3, my parents started me in gymnastics because I had so much energy, and I just fell in love with the sport. And from the time I was 3 until a junior in high school, I spent all my time doing it. Let's see if the pictures will. Here's some pictures. So, yeah, I started to compete when I was 8, and throughout the years when I moved up the scale, I ended up training about 28 to 30 hours a week, and spent my time training a lot. But with the wear and tear of gymnastics, I eventually started to hurt my back, and I needed surgery, and I had 2 screws put in. So I don't know if you can see on that picture, but this is a break right in the vertebrae. And so I had 2 screws put in, and yeah, it was really hard to quit gymnastics, and I was heartbroken, but in the end it ended up working out well, and it was a great plan because I was able to recover and then work at a doctor's office my senior year, and I learned a lot from it. I've since had a second back surgery to take out those 2 screws, and they put a second one in to replace it. But then, after I graduated, I was super excited to go up to BYU, Idaho. I've loved BYU, Idaho so much. I love the outdoors, and Idaho definitely has a lot to look at. It's been super fun, and I'm excited to take this online class and kind of gain an education in a different way, as I've taken most of my classes on campus, so it might be a little hard to get used to, but I know that I can do it, and anyone else that struggles with that will be able to as well. I applied for nursing at BYU, Idaho, and I'll find out if I get in June, and if I do, I hope to use this class to prepare me for that, as it is a prerequisite, so I assume that I will be carrying some information from this class to nursing, so that's my goal for this class. Thank you guys. I can't wait to learn with you guys.